If you own any crypto, this one is about the price of your entry ticket. Most pre-sales hand you a white paper and ask you to believe, a PDF, a roadmap, and a promise that someday there will be a product. BlockDAG just did the opposite. They dropped Keynote 6, a live mobile mining app that is already running on phones, an upgraded ecosystem, and a 5,000x price gap baked straight into the entry price. And here is the part people miss. That gap does not stay open. Every time a stage closes, the entry price steps up and the gap shrinks. Permanently. I am going to walk you through the math, the new dashboard, and the infrastructure, and I will be honest with you about the part almost nobody in this space says out loud. Let's start with the number that explains everything. Stage 1 is priced at $0.00002. The project's official launch reference price is 10 cents. Do that division, 5,000x, 5,000, not 50, not 500, 5,000, and it sits in the entry point, not in somebody's price prediction. Now the structure behind it, 150 billion total supply, 0 team allocation, the team did not carve out a bag for themselves, and a $100 million liquidity plan standing behind the launch. Here is my honest note, and I want you to hear me right. A launch reference price is a reference. It is not a market price. The market decides what a coin is worth on listing day, not the spreadsheet. So treat 5,000x as the spread the project has documented, not as a promise anyone can make you. Second thing that changed, the dashboard. BlockDAG rebuilt it completely and put a community ranking system inside. You start as a crab, then turtle, fish, shark, whale, and at the very top, the Kraken. Yes, it is gamified, and that is the point. You can see exactly where you stand instead of staring at one number in a wallet. And if you back them before this part matters. Your dashboard is already upgraded, your legacy BDAG stays yours. Your eligible new BDAG has been reinstated, free. You get the head start without paying twice. Third, the infrastructure is moving in real time and you can check it yourself today. The X1 Miner app is live. You download it and you mine BDAG from your phone before the coin even lists. That is not a roadmap item, that is on your phone right now. Then there is the BlockDAG super app, wallet, staking, card spending in one place. And their own exchange, BlockDAGX, with deep liquidity pools underneath all of it. 10,000 to 15,000 transactions per second, near zero gas fees, and 100% EVM compatibility. In human language, that means anything built for Ethereum can move over without being rewritten. Now, if you want the deep version, how the dual coin system works, why both coins stay mineable, how the $100 million liquidity pool backs this launch, you need to watch Keynote 6. That is the full blueprint, straight from the team, in their words, not mine. I am leaving the link below. Go watch it and judge it for yourself. There is one more piece that keeps getting skipped, and it is the one that answers a fair question. What is this coin actually for? The casino and gaming module is already live in the ecosystem. BDAG is built to be spent, not only held. And the game logic runs through EVM smart contracts, so it is provably fair. You can read the contract instead of trusting a company. Deposit, play, cash out with the network's fast finality. So where does that leave you? BlockDAG is not asking you to buy into a vague concept. There is a documented 5,000x spread, a live mining app, a new gamified dashboard, and Keynote 6 sitting there right now. And this is not guaranteed money. Nothing in this market is, and anyone who tells you otherwise is selling you something. This is early stage. You are paying stage 1 prices because you are taking stage 1 risk. Only put in what you are ready to lose. But if you have been watching this one from the sidelines, understand what is actually ticking. The stage. Every close moves the price up and closes that gap a little more. Don't be the one saying, I wish I had bought at stage 1 when the next phase kicks off. The presale link is in the description and Keynote 6 is down there too. Go look at the numbers yourself, then decide.